It's David with Oklahoma Ham Radio, the YouTube channel, and oklahomahamradio.com. Welcome back. This is the third in a series of videos about it's a phaser digital mode transceiver from Midnight Design Solutions. I will have a couple of links pop up here that will let you see the previous videos and next videos in the series. But step 3 is where we're at, and group 3 assembly is really very simple. There's a couple LEDs that get soldered in. There's a couple resistors, actually I think 4 resistors, looks like 2 switches. You put in one integrated circuit and you put in a little 2-pin jumper. So stick around. I'm going to go ahead and let this play out. Thanks, guys. This is not really that long of a video. I do have it sped up a little bit. Here I'm just getting the board ready to continue with step 3. Like I said in the intro, step 3 doesn't have a whole lot going on. There's a couple of LEDs that get installed to let you know if you're in FT8 or your alternate frequency. And I just get those soldered in here. Pretty simple. There's, let's see, I think 4 resistors that get soldered in. All 4 of those look to be something to do with the LEDs. So these 2 definitely are. The other 2 I'm not for sure. They very well could be. Or for the switches that get installed. There is an integrated circuit. Just make sure that you get that integrated circuit and the 2 LEDs in the correct direction. The LEDs, the long wire goes to the square peg, or the square pin pad, I guess, on the board. The integrated circuit, as it says in the instructions, it's the large one, and it is specific for your band that you're on. And that is programmed to function on 20 meter, the correct frequency, for example. And the notch or the dot goes toward the inside of the board. They say the left in the instructions. It goes to the inside of the board. So it's very simple to get installed. Do remember to bend down those pins just a little bit, make it a little easier to get it pressed in to that socket. The last part is just installing a 2-pin header. Now the testing on this one would require an oscillator, or would require, or another radio or something. I don't have a big radio here yet. It's on order, just hasn't gotten here yet. And I don't have a oscillator or anything to clock the frequency that's coming off, so I really couldn't test it. I'll just keep. I do want to say, don't be fooled by assembly group or group 3. It's very simple to do. It does get more complicated or a little more difficult from there. If you have an oscillator, it's great that you can check it out. You can actually see what signal is coming off or what frequency is coming off. If you have a big rig and another antenna, you can also see what signal is coming off of your device. I don't have either, so nothing much I could do there. The next step is actually building out the receiver. So that's pretty cool. There is some toroids that get wound and other things, I believe, if I remember correctly from building the other. But just want to say thanks for stopping by. The next section is a lot longer, so we'll definitely see if we can pick up any FT8 signals. Thank you.